Hello guys, welcome back to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we'll talk about one more placement opportunity from Atos. So in this video, we'll talk about all the things related to this job opportunity. We'll talk about the company profile, about the job profile. Also, we'll talk about the locations they have given here for this job opening and about the job post. We'll also talk about the educational qualifications required and the job description and about the CTC and the procedure to apply for this job and about the further interview process. So we'll talk all these things in this video. So I request you guys to not skip the video in between. Watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea over this opportunity from Atos and you can easily apply for the same. So I provide these kind of job openings videos in this channel, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I upload these kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's move forward with today's video, that is about the Atos hiring for the position of a fresher trainee. So first of all, we'll talk about the company profile. So Atos is a French multinational information technology service and consulting company which is headquartered in Bezons, France and offices worldwide. It specializes in high-tech transactional services, unified communications, cloud, big data, cybersecurity services. And the headquarters of Atos is in Bezons, that is in France, and the founder is Bernard Bourguier, and the Atos was founded in 1997. So further we'll talk about the locations they have given here. The locations will be Bengaluru, Chennai, Pune and Vadodara. So these are the 4 locations. The candidates who will be selected finally will be given any of these 4 locations, and the position for this job is of a fresher trainee. And this job has been posted on the official website of Atos 24 days ago, and I'll provide the link for the job in the description box of the video, so don't forget to check that link if you are willing to apply for this job. So the experience required for this job is 0 years, that means 2020 candidates can also apply for this opportunity from Atos. And talking about the job description, so they have mentioned here total 3 points. So very first point is candidates will be working in the field of infrastructure and data management business line of Atos. And second is candidates primary role will be to provide L0 and L1 support to various Atos clients. And third, they have mentioned like candidates will be working in the areas of networking, database, cloud services, Windows, service desk, digital workplace and other IT infrastructure technology related skills. So these are the total 3 points they have given about the job description. And talking about the further desired candidate profile, so about the desired skills, so very first skill is understanding on infrastructure concept such as cloud storage, networking and Windows. And second is understanding on ITIL process and added advantage. And third is good communication and positive attitude. And fourth one is willingness to work in 24/7 shifts. And fifth one is okay to sign a service agreement for 2 years. So make sure they are signing a agreement of total 2 years. So make sure you go through all these points they have mentioned about the job description, about the profile. So I'll provide the link, so make sure you read all these things in detail, things such as the agreement and about the skills, about the job description. So make sure you read all these things carefully before applying for the same. And talking about the salary, so here they have mentioned not disclosed by the recruiter. So this job I'm showing you guys from the website of Naukri, but also they have updated about this job on their official website too. So the approximate package for this job will be around 3.5 LPA to 4 LPA. So as per my knowledge, so this will be the package, and the industry type for this job will be IT software / IT services, and the functional area will be IT software application programming maintenance. And the role we have already discussed about the role, so the role will be of a fresher trainee, and employment type is of a full-time, that is a permanent kind of a job this is. And in key skills, like a fresher graduate. So further we'll discuss about the educational qualifications required for this job. So all the BSc holders in electronics and computers, and BE and BTech holders in any of the specialization are eligible for this job. And talking about the post graduation, so MS, MSc in science, computers, electronics and embedded technology, electronics, electrical engineering, MCA, any specialization. So these are the things they have mentioned here about the educational qualifications. So very lastly, they have mentioned here about the company profile. So as we have already seen, so I'll just give you a rough idea about this, whatever they have mentioned here. So Atos is a global leader in digital transformation with 110,000 employees in 73 countries and annual revenue of 12 billion, European number 1 in cloud, cybersecurity and high performance computing. The group provides end-to-end orchestrated hybrid cloud data, big data, business applications and digital workplace solutions. So I'll provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. So please don't forget you check all those links I have mentioned in the description box. So I have also given there the link of the Telegram channel of the Fresher Bee. So also don't forget to join the channel, as I keep posting there these kind of job opportunities before I post things on YouTube. So don't forget to join the Telegram channel also, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I come up with these kind of latest openings from various MNCs and various other startups companies. So please don't forget to subscribe. So for if you are willing to apply, you can just go here, log in to apply, or just if you are new to this Naukri, so register and apply. And even here is one more option like apply without registration, so you can just click here for application. So further you will be just redirected to the next page. There you have to fill all the details they'll ask you to fill, details such as the personal information, about the contact details, about the address, about the educational qualifications, about your marks, and also they'll ask you to upload the your CV. So you just fill all these things and finally just submit your form for this Atos opening. So this is a very good opportunity for all the freshers, so make sure you apply for this same. So we'll meet in the next video with one more job opening from another company. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.